Did you know that 90% of millionaires build their wealth through real estate? If you're thinking about investing in 2025, this might be your golden opportunity. Real estate has always been one of the most powerful ways to build wealth, and 2025 is no exception. With evolving market trends, increasing urbanization, and new investment opportunities, now is the perfect time to enter the real estate market. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about investing in real estate in 2025. 1. Define your investment goals before jumping into real estate. You need to have a clear goal. Ask yourself, do I want a steady rental income or am I looking for long-term appreciation? Am I planning to flip properties for quick profits? Do I want to invest passively through REITs or crowdfunding? Having a goal will help you choose the right investment strategy. 2. Understand the real estate market in 2025. The real estate market is constantly evolving, and 2025 will bring new trends. Urban expansion. More people are moving to suburban areas due to remote work flexibility. Sustainability focus. Eco-friendly and energy-efficient homes are in high demand. Technology and real estate. AI-driven property analysis, smart homes and blockchain transactions are shaping the market. 3. Choose your real estate investment strategy. There are multiple ways to invest in real estate. Here are some popular options. A. Buy and hold long-term rentals. This involves purchasing properties and renting them out for passive income. Key factors to consider was solid location. Choose high-demand rental areas. Was solid location. Aim for at least a 6 to 8% return on investment. Was solid location. Aim for at least a 6 to 8% return on investment. Aim for property management. Decide if you'll manage it yourself or hire a property manager. B. House flipping, fix and flip. Buy undervalued homes, renovate them, and sell at a higher price. Success depends on accurate renovation cost estimation. Accurate renovation cost estimation. Quick turnaround to maximize profits. C. REITs, real estate investment trusts. If you don't want to manage properties, you can invest in REITs. These companies own and manage income-generating real estate, allowing you to earn returns without the hassle of ownership. D. Short-term rentals, Airbnb and vacation homes. Buying properties in tourist destinations or business hubs can be highly profitable. Consider local regulations on short-term rentals, seasonal demand and occupancy rates, initial furnishing and management costs. E. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and CrowdStreet allow you to invest in large real estate projects with a small initial investment. 4. E. Secure your financing. You need capital to invest in real estate. Here are common financing options: policy and traditional mortgage. Banks offer loans with competitive interest rates. Natsiba are the main loans, short-term high-interest loans for quick deals. Fira Bolicia loans. Seller financing. The seller provides a loan instead of a bank. Natsiba are the Manksia loans, real estate crowdfunding. Pool money with other investors. 5. Analyze properties before buying. Never invest in real estate without doing proper research. Consider Silosiver when the 1% rule. Monthly rent should be at least 1% of the property price. Silosiver when location growth. Check future development plans in the area. Haas, factor in potential repairs and renovations. 5. Silosiver when vacancy rate. High vacancy rates mean lower rental demand. Using tools like Zillow, Redfin, or local MLS databases can help you find good deals. Final thoughts: real estate investing in 2025 presents exciting opportunities, but success depends on research, planning, and smart decision-making. Whether you're buying rental properties, flipping houses, or investing in REITs, understanding the market and staying financially prepared will help you build wealth over time. Are you ready to start your real estate investment journey? Let me know if you need help with specific strategies.